Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you've been looking for a way to be able to have a workstation anywhere in the home or even outside, I have this great one from Fayquaze. This is an awesome workstation center that really will let you do whatever you need to do around the house. This workstation is made out of a faux wood surface that is really nice because it's super easy to clean. It has space, not only plenty of room for your laptop, but also if you want to add in a beverage and a place for your tablet. And it even has a side drawer that allows me to keep my pens with it. And a very special surprise came with the USB port station on the top. Even more of a surprise is that it came with an LED light and even a cute little fan that will help you out if you get warm while you're working. What I really like about this is that as soon as it came out of the box, I really didn't have to do anything to put it together. You just unfold the legs, which are nice and sturdy, and they have some nice grip on the bottom so it does not slide around while you're working. I can take it with me outside. I can set up in a chair or even on my sofa or even in bed if you want to get a little bit of extra browsing time or even just reading time. You can use this workstation whenever you need it. If you've also been looking for something that will really enable you to be able to work comfortably whenever you need a workstation set up, then you will love this station. It is just so nice and sturdy, and I love all of the different thoughtful accessories that it came with. But that's just my point of view.